Is your Samsung phone frozen and not responding to touch or buttons? Don't worry, in this video, we'll explain the common causes of this issue and show you several effective ways to get your Samsung phone working again. Part 1. Why is my Samsung phone frozen? Low storage full. Software issues, bugs, or updates. Low RAM, too many apps. Overheating CPU slowdown. Corrupted cache, damaged cache files. Power saving, reduced performance. Hardware damage, physical or liquid damage. Part 2. Fix Samsung phone frozen with 9 quick ways. Trick 1. Put your Samsung where it stays cool. Trick 2. Disable power saving mode. Trick 3. Optimize Samsung via device care. Trick 4. Free up storage. Trick 5. Clear cache partition. Trick 6. Uninstall incompatible app in safe mode. Trick 7. Update Samsung system. Trick 8. Force restart Galaxy. Trick 9. Factory reset the phone. Part 3. Fix Samsung phone frozen screen with the trusted tool left bracket productive right bracket. As an expert desktop toolkit, Android Repair is designed to diagnose and resolve a wide range of system-level malfunctions on Android devices. Here's how to fix Samsung phone frozen with Android Repair. After downloading Android Repair, install and launch it on your computer. In the main window, click System Repair. Then connect your Samsung device to the computer using a USB cable. Select Android Repair from the left-hand menu. A list of Android issues that the tool can resolve will appear. Review them and click Start. On the next screen, enter your device details and tap Next to proceed. Manually type 000000 into the provided field and tap Confirm. Note that this repair process may erase data from your Samsung phone. Boot your Samsung device into download mode using the appropriate method, as shown below. Once your phone is in download mode, click Next to download the necessary firmware. The software will then automatically begin repairing the Samsung phone frozen.